So, how does Tailwind CSS work? Well, if we take an example of these buttons here, you can see in Bootstrap, these buttons will be shortened to be like button and then button success or button danger or button warning. You can actually check that out on the documentation to see by yourself. However, in Tailwind CSS, you kind of design the internal or the exact behavior that you want to achieve. For example, take a look at the first one. For the first one, the background of it's white. So you say BG white, stands for background white. These are, by the way, classes. So you can have multiple classes per element to achieve that result. So you say background white, border, you have a border, and then the border red 500. Look at this coloring system, which we will come to it in the next video. Border red 500 is defining the color system that you want and then the value of it. So if you say 500, that's actually the base color, and you can choose from 100 to 900 based on your need. The 100 will be the lightest, the 900 will be the darkest. The 500 will be in the middle, which is the normal red color. Then you specify the text. So the text again will take the place text red 500, which will determine the text of the color of the text color of this button. And then you specify rounded to have this rounded shape. And of course you can choose rounded full to have a bell system or bell icon, or rounded LG to have a larger corners. And if we take another example here, take a look at this one. This one we don't have a border, we have a background of red. So you say BG red 500, and then the text is white and it's rounded, of course. You see, by combining these utilities, you have different looks and different design for each one. And that's what makes Tailwind CSS very, very powerful. The last one here, you can see it's a BG blue in this time, and then the value is 500. The text is white and then rounded. So for the last one, we have three classes. The one before in the middle, we have three classes, and the one at the top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes to accomplish this specific design.